So meron pong harmonization.
My future.
Right. What's the plan? I have a plan. The new Smart Junior Plan. Made for
Bali, po kasi kami.
learning on the experiences, on the connections.
Hindi po kasi kami nakapunta ng
It's a plan as good as yours.
kaya si Igab sa si Kuya. Yung aming TV sa PS.
Kaya na nagkakalat na siya.
Tapos, ay putang ng bata pa. Wait na baby ko. Wait na baby ko. Huwag yan daddy.
Welcome back to another video. If you're
Bali,
new
man,
here,
po kasi.
welcome to Psych2Go. Some people
Meron po kaming
that maturation
Karawangin trip.
while
Paano?
it takes a little
Lakad
time
sa
for others to develop
Karawangin Cove.
as they develop from children into
Tapos
adults.
biglang
But there will be times
yung
when your
pera ko,
confidence takes
para
a
siya
hit,
hindi siya
right?
nawala,
It's common to feel
pala.
like you wish your confidence
Nakalimutan ko na
while other
i-withdraw yung
things
pera
that
ko.
are out of control may
Nakalimutan na
impact
na
your
kunin na
confidence.
yung
Oo.
ATM machine yung pera.
It's important
Oo,
to know
yun.
which things
Paano
you
ko?
are in control of.
Dahil
And
maano ko,
how you
dahil
can prevent
sobrang tanga ko.
yourself from destroying
Saka
your own confidence.
makakalimutin.
So, here are 9 habits that are destroying
Babe,
your
lang
confidence.
ako nun.
Number
First time
1.
sa akin, nangyari yun sa
You care too much
sa
about what other people
buong buhay ko.
How many times have you said to
Tapos,
yourself, I don't
putang
care
ina,
what
parang
other people think
parang
about me"?
naisip ko na
Honestly,
na wag
the
naman
tally isn't quite
magpunta ron
encouraging.
dahil
is it?
merong mangyayari sa amin.
That's okay.
Malakas yung
It's common to care
yung sa
about
ko
what people think,
intuition.
especially if we're trying to impress them. As human
Sa
beings, we want
intuition
to be
yung
liked
aming
and respected by
PS4.
others. However, when you value other
Gaming
people's
setup
thinking
yan.
and opinion above your
Gaming
own,
setup.
you change your behavior to reflect what you
Random
think others want to see.
Kaya yun,
You're doing more harm than
nawala
good.
yung sa ko,
Number 2.
yung sa 4K
Negative
ko.
thinking.
Tapos, nangyari, merong
You've had one too many of
Meron
those
nakapulot,
days, haven't you?
pero yung nakapulot,
You become what you think.
yung
If you
niya,
always
yung
think you're
mister
not good
niya,
enough, then you'll
pinsan
never
ni
be confident.
Ilintuliling.
Do you have thoughts
Ano
that
si
you
Lintuliling?
can never get that promotion, even
Pinsan
though
nung
you are
nakapulot,
qualified?
yung
That's negative thinking.
Ilintuliling.
Indulging in pessimism
Bali
creates
si
a
Mano yan, si
self-fulfilling
Bola.
Yeah,
Bojang.
you're gradually
Bolan.
Ano pala,
destroying your self-confidence
Bolan
with
pala.
all of these
Boy yun,
thoughts.
boy.
Reframing
Na
those
na
negative thoughts
maraming
to
chicks
say,
yun.
I am good enough
Marami
for this
asawa.
job, and I need to show my
Bolan,
skills.
chicks.
To reinforce a more positive mindset.
Siya,
It's crucial
nakarami
to
na
focus
siya
on
ng
what you
chicks.
can do, instead of worrying about
Liam.
the outcomes
Hindi, joke
that
lang.
you can't control. Number 3.
So, mga
Social
lang,
media.
so, ang
Do you compare your
gusto ko lang
lifestyle
makita
with
is
your
kung
friends on
tama
social
to.
media? Or how many
Tama,
times have you thought that your
kung
social
tama
media
to na
No,
mayroong mangyayari sa
Sorry.
kanila.
pictures people
Hindi, ano
paint
pala.
on social media,
Kung
as
kung
we
tama
know,
to na
are
kami
not
na
always as they appear to be.
hindi kami
If you
tumuloy.
consistently find
Sa
yourself comparing yourself
Aray!
Karawangin
and
ko,
living
nakasama
your
sila
own
Jerwin.
personality and only putting
Erwin
out what
Tanda
you
kasi
want the world
March.
to see,
Ayaw lang
then you
kita
may notice
So,
that
ang
this has an impact on your
so ang date
confidence.
ngayon is
The real
paano?
And once you start
February 28, last day of March. Ay, ano pala, last day of February pala. Time check, 11:10. 11:10 yan. Maano na kami. Hindi na kami nakasama doon. Sa sa Monday, check natin kung kung lahat sila pabuhay pa. Hindi, joke lang. Kung meron nangyari sa kanila.
Siyempre, di naman natin nalalaman kasi it's inside the group.
Pero check mo, yan. Meron mangyayari niyan. Pero booking pa din.
Makikita mo na natin sa GC.
Sige.
Hey Psych2Goers, thank you
si
so much
Liam.
for the love and support
Si
that you've
Boy.
given us. As you know, our mission is to make psychology more accessible.